Hello, so this is the demo for the picture gallery that categorizes pictures. So right here I'm just gonna put photographer, location, and date. Now I'm going to upload, for example, some bunnies, and that's probably gonna be an animal, and yep, it's an animal. Let's put another name. Let's put Pasadena. Let's put a random date, and let's put flowers. Some flowers, and this usually takes like 1 second or 2 seconds. That depends on how long that does the Vision API take. Let's see, let's add another one. Let's add some people and put another random date, add, and you should see people. Here we go, some people. And let's add another one that's none of them. So in this case, it's gonna be some food, and some food should be. This really depends. So if it's neither one of them, it's gonna be this one. The way this is categorized is because I'm using NLTK, so taking all these labels and taking a look into how similar they are to one of the labels, either animals, birds, people, or flower, and then take the one that's the biggest one, that's the most likely one. Take that score, and then multiply that score times the average of all the scores. And if it doesn't pass the threshold, so if you take a maximum, if that maximum passes the threshold, then it's gonna be that category. If it doesn't pass that threshold, it's gonna be others. That's how this works. So for example, I'm gonna take this one, and actually right now I'm gonna show how you can change some of the stuff. So I'm gonna change this to Los Angeles. I'm gonna change the date where this was taken, and I can change the categories. I can put flower, and this is gonna be category flower, and this should show in flowers. I can also put automatic. I can also put automatic, and this should be otter. So that's the automatic. So I just let the program choose. I can also change the picture. So I'm actually gonna choose people on this one, and this should take a little bit. So I'm gonna do a hard refresh on this. You have to do a hard refresh because your browser actually tends to save the image that you put before. Let's see. Weird, this didn't change. It takes about 1 second whenever you want to change this kind of stuff, because if I go right here, I'm gonna go to the cloud storage, and let's see, cloud storage. So that was supposed to be some food. So let's take a look at some food. And some food, I put a picture of people there. So now it got updated. So Control-Shift-R. See, yeah, it gets updated here, but on my browser, this is still food. And it's because this is saved on the cache, so it takes a little bit to load. So it works. It changes the picture. It just doesn't show on the browser. I guess the browser saves the picture. Anyways, so once you have that, let's see. Yeah, so this is how you can change the picture and change the labels and change everything else. So the application on this side works, and also on the database I'm using Firestore, and Firestore show you the labels, the category, and some other categories that were done by a different API that I work with that didn't end up working. So cool.